Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Thursday, I think. Yeah, it's Thursday. Anyways, I am heating up some lunch right now, and then I also ordered a little sandwich and smoothie from this local place that I found when I was pregnant, and I've just been really craving a smoothie, and then I'm having some soup for lunch because my grandma made homemade chicken noodle soup, and it is so delicious. She even makes like homemade noodles and everything. So I had to take some home to eat, but I didn't bring too much home, so I was like, I'll just order a sandwich too. But I'm heating that up now. Literally so excited. Homemade chicken noodle soup tastes like, once you have like homemade soups or anything like that, they taste way better than like the packaged ones or like the canned soups, in my opinion. But yeah, so we are not doing much today. I am getting a new coffee stand bar thing for my kitchen. So as of right now, I have this table that I got at Walmart, and it has like stools and stuff that go under it, and it has like one storage section here. It just doesn't, it's not doing what I need it to do. And this has more storage where I can put my air fryer on, so it's not like just hanging there by the stool. And it'll have space for me for my Keurig and my coffee and my Nespresso and everything else on there. So I'm really excited. We're going to pick that up today. Found it on Facebook Marketplace for 50 bucks. If you guys don't use Facebook Marketplace, you're missing out, because there's some really good finds on there. So I'm actually going to probably sell this one on Facebook Marketplace because I don't need it anymore. So that's the plan. But yeah, I'm just waiting for my food to get here. I'm finishing heating up my soup, and then we're going to go pick that up, and I'll show you guys how it looks and everything later. And we're not doing much else today. Alright, the soup is taking forever. So, alright. I got this smoothie. It's a pineapple mango spinach smoothie. It's my favorite one there. And I love it because they don't put banana in it, because I'm allergic to bananas, which is sad. And I hate it because I used to eat bananas all the time, and then randomly 4 years ago I had an allergic reaction to bananas, so that was fun. Anyways, this little local shop, they're all like, their whole menu is very like healthy focused, but their food is so good, you guys. My favorite place to go. So let me show you what we got in here. So as my side, I just picked grapes. You can pick like chips and salsa, carrots, or grapes, or you can do carrots and grapes. And then for my sandwich, it's a turkey with brie, pesto, and a pepper jelly, and then strawberries on it. Hang on, let me see if I can get this in focus. Hold on, let me get the other piece. It's delicious. Here we go. I gotta put this down somewhere. I mean, come on. Look at that. You guys, the sandwich is so good. And it's a little spicy. It's got a little bit of kick to it. But, hits the spot. Alright. Let me show you guys the soup. Smoothie. Alright, and then here's the homemade chicken noodle soup that my grandma made. She makes her own noodles. Like, look at these. Look at these noodles. I'm literally obsessed with her soup. I texted my sister, because she lives far away. Because, you know, she lives in Philly. So I texted her and I said, hey, And my grandma's having homemade chicken noodle soup, and she was like, I'm jealous. But yeah, I'm gonna go eat all of this because I'm starving, because we woke up at about 11. I can't talk. We woke up at 11 today, so I slept through breakfast. So this is my brunch. But yeah, I'm gonna go eat this and hang out with Knox, and I'll catch up with you guys a little bit later. So I just picked this up. So this is like a little before. Okay, we're getting rid of that. And we're gonna organize everything, and we're gonna put it on here. I'm so excited.
He's worth $1 billion.
Hey guys, good morning. It is Saturday. We just got home from running some errands this morning. We stopped at Panera, grabbed some brunch because we both woke up, or we all woke up around 9:30ish. We didn't get out of the house until, sorry, I'm so tired. We didn't get out of the house until like 10:30 or so. So by the time we got to the side of town that has all the shops, it was like 11 already. So, we just grabbed some Panera. I got the pick 2, the sesame Asian salad, I think it is, with chicken, and then I get the Chipotle chicken avocado melt. They're both like my go-tos for Panera. They're so good. And then Spencer always gets a grilled cheese because he's lame and he's boring. And then we went to Target for a couple things. We didn't really get anything fun. We just kind of got a few groceries that we needed, like odds and ends things. We went to Walmart and we went to Aldi's. Duke is very spoiled. We buy him toys pretty much every time we go out because that's something that we always used to do before we had Knox. So now that we have Knox, we try to keep doing it. Make sure he knows he's spoiled. All right, here you go. You want it? All right. He's not, oh, there he goes. All right. So he's going to go play with that. I'm going to go ahead and put all this stuff away. And then I think I'm going to try to lay down for a little bit because Knox is still kind of napping. So I'm hoping maybe I can get a quick little nap in. But I know as soon as I take him out of his car seat, he's going to wake up. So fingers crossed. All right. Hey guys, it's later in the night. We were going to go get wings for dinner, but we got there and the place is literally packed. It's a small, like, local restaurant, so there's not a lot of seating in there. So we drove home because it's only like 5 minutes away from us. And then we just called in an order, and then Spencer just went to go pick it up because they said about 30 minutes because they're really busy. So I'm super excited for wings, but I'm going to try to clean up my kitchen a little bit because I still haven't done that because I was doing nothing all day. But look how cute Knox is on his mat. He's just hanging out. Say hi. He loves looking at himself in the camera, in the phone. He loves when I FaceTime people. It's hilarious. But yeah, so we're just watching football. And like I said, Spencer went to go pick up dinner, so I'm excited because I'm so hungry. We had like a brunch, like a late. We didn't eat breakfast, and we had like a early-ish lunch, and then we both weren't super hungry, so we didn't have lunch, I guess you could say, if that makes sense. So yeah, we're both pretty hungry, but I'm gonna try to get some of this a little bit organized and just get stuff out of the way so I can work on this, probably mostly tomorrow, just because we were kind of just relaxing earlier, so yeah. And I spent like 2 hours on FaceTime with one of my friends, so I got sidetracked. But yeah, I'm gonna start this, and once he gets back with the food, I'll show you guys the food. All right, so Spencer just got back with dinner. He got boneless wings because he's weird. And then I got mild wings and some fried pickles, and he also got some fries. But yeah, it's dinner. These are the best wings in our area. They're so good. I'm so excited. And Knox is over here watching us, just chilling. All right, you guys, I finished setting this up. It looks so cute. It's so much more organized than the other one was. And I think it looks really good. It turned out really nice. I just want to hang that sign. And then I also have a shelf to hang, but I haven't decided where I'm going to put it. But yeah, it looks really cute. And then I just have this right here for right now until we sell it. I'm excited I got that done, and this cute little shelf on here lets me put my little camera, so that's nice. But I'm going to finish cleaning up the kitchen probably tomorrow because I got to go get Knox a bath, and then Spencer and I will be watching the football game. So
Screw the Giant.
Yeah, it's going to be fun. Anyways, because I need to tackle the top of my fridge, which is full of shit, and I also kind of just threw stuff everywhere while I was doing this, so that's a project for tomorrow, though. But, yeah, so I'm going to go give Knox a bath and just relax for the rest of the night, so I'll catch you guys tomorrow. All right, hey guys, so ignore how messy my hair is. I've been like running around all day. Knox, when it was being a little neaty, so I had him in his little chair over there while I was doing the dishes, and he kept getting mad. So I strapped him in. I had him strapped in the other way, and I was like, you wanna watch what I'm doing? So now he's got a whole new view from up here. I think I've only put him in here like this like one other time. Yeah. You like it? You can see everything. Anyways, I had to go to Walgreens for just like a couple random Walgreens. I had to go to Wegmans for just like a couple of things, like some creamer and oat milk and stuff. And I forgot to take chicken out tonight, and I really don't feel like cooking. So I just got a rotisserie chicken. So I'm going to go ahead and just sort this out for tonight, and then just for some leftovers. And then I'm literally making Kraft mac and cheese to go with it because I'm exhausted. I barely slept last night, and I'm just tired. But I had to go to Wegmans today because I had to stock up on my stuff because we're supposed to get like 3 to 5 inches of snow, and we already have like a couple inches. So I wanted to stock up on the essentials so I can make it through the next couple days. Huh? But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. And then I don't think we're doing anything tonight. I think we're just hanging out. So yeah, we'll see though. Tomorrow we're going to my grandma's for dinner, most likely. As long as, you know, the snow isn't too bad. So, but we'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do this before Spencer gets home. He should be off of work pretty soon. He has to go run a couple errands, and I just want to make sure dinner's home for him when he gets home so he can eat and shower and relax from working. Yeah, are you talking? Hey guys, so today is Wednesday, yes, and it is snowing right now. I'll show you guys a little bit later how much we're getting. We're supposed to get like 3 to 5 inches, and we already had like an inch. So Knox over here just hanging out. So he's been like kind of bored, I think, so I'm gonna try something and I wanted to vlog it for you guys. We'll see how it goes. I'm basically I bought a ton of canvases so I could do like little crafts with him, and I want to do a Valentine's Day craft with like his feet, I think, but I'm gonna wait till Spencer gets home because it's just easier with 2 people. But I'm gonna have him like finger paint, so I'm gonna take this, I took this canvas and I just wrote like what it is, like what year and like how old, and then I'm gonna put it in a Ziploc bag with paint on it, and then I'm just gonna let him paint, and we're gonna see how it turns out. So I'm gonna set this up, and then hopefully he does a good job and he likes it. So I'm just taking all of these colors and I'm gonna put them on the like little dots on the canvas, and then like I said, I'm gonna slip it in this Ziploc baggie, and I'm so excited. I hope this turns out cute. I hope this turns out cute. Really? Couple reds. Wait, did I already do this pink? Yeah. Just doing a little bit of white. All right. Okay, so that's how we're looking. All right, I'm already spreading it. Oh God. Okay. Okay. All right, let's see how he does. Oh, you just want to eat the bag. No, we're not eating the bag. No, we're not eating the bag. Look, Knox. Okay. He's gonna eat it, apparently. Do the paint. Good job. All right, so I think he's done because he just keeps trying to eat it, honestly. He did pat it a couple times, so. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna let this dry, and then look how cute that is. And then we'll see how it looks. Duke, are you making snow angel dogs? You're crazy. All right, we're going outside to play in the snow for the first time. Are you excited, Knox? Duke's excited. All right, you're all bundled up in there. All right. All right, Duke's playing in the snow. We got Knox's little sled out, and he's just kind of feeling it out. I'm gonna throw him in there and see. We didn't get too much, but we'll see how he reacts. We'll go out here so we're not. We're gonna get in the snow. Wow! Boom! Look at Dookie.
The thing was, it was running fine.
How do you like it?
I don't know why it is.
All right, we're gonna pull you around in this sled, Knox, and see how you do. Woo! Woo! Dookie. What? Ignore my hair, but we just came inside from being outside in the snow, and Knox is going crazy right now. Aww. Bouncy, 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 bouncy. You guys, I think he had so much fun out there. I pulled him around the sled. We were out there for like 20-ish minutes. I didn't want to be out there too long. He was like 15. But he loved it. He smiled, and Duke was chasing him around in the sled. It was just so cute. Wow. Was that fun? Did you have fun outside? But yeah, we're kind of like hunkered in for the night. We were gonna go to my grandma's for dinner, but I'm really tired, and Spencer's also really tired, and we're just not really feeling up to driving anywhere. So the roads are now like a little bit more clear. So, but yeah, I think we're gonna make some dinner and just relax for the rest of the night.